Hey everybody, today I've got a 2011 X6 BMW, and the problem with this car is the hood would not open on the passenger side. Luckily, this cable here, you can see the cable end is all messed up, and the sheathing popped off its bracket, which is down inside here. But luckily the ball was still connected. Well, this cable runs across the front of the car here, here, and here, and then runs underneath here. I was able to use a belt tool, and I came up from underneath and grabbed the cable and pulled on the cable while somebody else pulled on it and got it loose. But I did see another video that I was scared to do because I didn't see how it was put together, but there is a gap right here in between the piece, the radiator support, and this plastic piece that you should be able to, when you do you're doing it blind. If you have a super long hook tool like this, you should be able to push it up in here, and what's going to happen is right here, you see, you're going to push that plastic, it's not plastic, it's like foam rubber piece out of the way, and then you can get in here and turn your hook tool in, and that little tab I'm on right now, if you could push on that tab, it'll release the latch, and then you can just rotate your thing and come back out. This side here, I'm not sure if you can get this up in there. It looks like it's completely sealed. But on the passenger side or right hand side of the car, you have one that this won't release. You should be able to get in here with a hook tool and rotate it and release it. Alright everybody, just a real quick one. This is on a 2011 BMW X5. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner right there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos.